Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Tinder Gold for 1 month completely free using a coupon code. This works on both iPhone and Android, and it's super quick and easy to do. Before we start, make sure to leave a like on this video if it works for you, so others know it's legit. And if you need any help, just drop a comment and I'll do my best to help out. Alright, let's get into it. First, grab your phone and open up your browser. Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever you use. Then go to twistycoupons.com. Once you're on the site, you'll see a bunch of different coupons and offers. Scroll until you find the one that says Tinder Gold, 1 month free coupon. Tap on it. Now, when you click it, you'll see the coupon code is locked. To unlock it, you'll need to complete 2 quick sponsor offers. Don't worry, these are 100% free. No hidden payments, no tricks. The sponsors basically buy these coupon codes and give them away in exchange for new app users. The tasks are super easy. You might get something like download an app and open it or reach a certain level in a game. Once you complete 2 offers, go back to the site and the Tinder Gold coupon code should unlock. If it doesn't right away, try doing a 3rd offer just to be safe. After the code unlocks, copy it and then open up your Tinder app. Go to Settings, tap on Upgrade, and then paste in the code where it asks for a promo or coupon code. Boom! You now have Tinder Gold for 1 month free. It's that simple. No scams, no payments, just a quick couple of steps, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. If this worked for you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and comment below if you had any questions or need help. See you in the next one.